Another story we've been watching today, Saudi Arabia's giant state-owned oil producer, Saudi Aramco, announced plans to go public finally in what could be the largest IPO ever. The public offering part of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's plan to wean his country off oil and develop other areas of the economy. I want to chat about this with the panel. JJ, in particular, I keep wondering every time we talk breathlessly about Saudi Aramco and its valuation, when it's coming to market, do people want to buy this thing? Are they really that hot for this?
I think they were probably hotter for a lot of the IPOs that came out earlier this year, the Ubers, the Lyfts of the world, only because they use those products day to day. You know, Saudi Aramco, they use that product, of course, but they already get it from other sources. So I don't know that there's quite the retail interest in this one as there was in some of the other more retail-friendly products, so to speak, that were a little bit more of unicorns. That being said, after, you know, the whole WeWork thing, I think that an exciting IPO is probably good for the market. I do think if you're coming to an IPO right now, your numbers are going to be studied much more than they have been in a long, long time. And with that, that'll be healthy for the market, because when this does go IPO, you can believe that those numbers have been studied very carefully.
I wouldn't buy this thing for three reasons. Number one, I would worry intensely about that transparency, JJ, with this particular
Because it's from Saudi Arabia and not U.S. based in the accounting methods?
1,000%.
Okay, that's fair.
But, you know, the proof will be in the pudding.
Okay.
Number one. Number two, don't like their behavior. Don't want to be a part of their political system. And number three, it's just going to be a proxy for the price of oil, right? In other words, why not just buy the ETF? It'll probably be cheaper, might be more transparent.
Dividends,
I already own
maybe.
XOM.
How about the fact that you
right?
know,
I don't know.
They have huge revenue, but how much longer?
I
Because
could be
the
wrong.
world is
I
gonna
often
be-
am.
Well, I'm not saying you need to buy it, sorry, but as I said, I don't think there's the excitement among retail. I think this is an institutional excitement, much more than a retail excitement.
Right.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.